the Miami-Dade School District has announced what it hopes will be a major step towards preventing a tragedy like the one in Parkland. They have created a Department of Mental Health. CBS 4's Amber Diaz live in Miami with more on this story. Amber.
And Rick, this new mental health department wants to make sure they're covering all their bases, from training teachers to recognize the warning signs in students to providing mental health screenings, making sure all of their students have the utmost care.
The announcement comes just 3 days before Miami-Dade County Public Schools opens their doors and welcomes students to a new school year. After a Senate bill was passed requiring the county expand or establish mental health services, the school system announced on Friday they used $6.2 million to create their very own mental health department. They'll be hiring 70 mental health coordinators and social workers to help schools identify students needing mental health services or screenings. They'll be expanding partnerships with outside agencies to strengthen the relationship between schools and the community. All schools will have a threat assessment team and a mental health team. They're to talk about students who may be showing warning signs and getting them the resources they need. Teachers and staff will be required to participate in youth mental health first aid training. It's an 8-hour program teaching about the risk factors and warning signs some kids may show. Just today, Miami-Dade mayor and school boss sealed a deal agreed 2 months ago to see the county provide 100 police officers to staff schools. It's under a safe mandate that every school have a cop or armed guard when classes begin.
We did this because we have a duty and a moral obligation to protect our children.
Some 20 cities will provide officers to schools. Other cities, however, are not on board. Those schools now having to use reserves. That means detectives will have to throw on police uniforms come Monday morning.
Are 100% confident that we will go into Monday with every single school covered.
The goal with both efforts is to assure the safety of the students and make sure no child's cry for help go unnoticed.
Back out here live in downtown Miami, Rick in Ruta Bay. Other programs in the works relate to issues from gender identity and race to bullying. Now, new students must reveal if they've had previous mental health issues. Reporting live, Amber Diaz, CBS 4 News Tonight.